Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to add your own custom HTML and jQuery code right into your Wix website. If you've ever wanted to boost the power of your site with cool interactive features or custom design tweaks, features that go beyond Wix's built-in tools, this tutorial is for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to embed your own code safely and effectively, even if you've never done it before. Let's get started. First up, you'll want to log in and go to your Wix web design dashboard. This is the central hub where you'll manage all aspects of your website, tweak your layout, and set up your content. Make sure you're in the editor view, not the ADI, Artificial Design Intelligence option, because we'll need full editing access for this. Take a moment to locate the site you want to work on. And remember, if you have multiple sites, double-check you're in the correct project before making any changes. Now onto the actual embedding. In the left menu, you'll see a variety of options for adding elements: text, images, buttons, all the usual stuff. What we're looking for here is the option called Embed Code. Sometimes it's listed under Add, or as you scroll through the Elements panel, you might see something labeled HTML iframe, or simply Custom Embeds. Click on that. This step is what allows us to plug in our own code. Essentially, Wix gives us a little window into the website so we can drop in whatever we need. Once you select Embed Code, you'll see an option to add HTML code. Go ahead and click that. This will place a blank box onto your site's canvas. You can drag it wherever you need it to go: top, bottom, side, middle. Wix's drag and drop feature is super flexible, so think about placement. Where will your widget or interactive feature feel most natural for your visitors? For example, if it's a custom slider, you might want it front and center on your homepage. If it's a small sign-up form, it could fit nicely in your footer. Click on this embedded HTML element, and a settings window should pop up. Now comes the fun part. Simply copy and paste your custom HTML and jQuery code right into the box provided. If you're new to this, remember that jQuery should be framed inside a script tag, and you might need to reference the jQuery library if it's not already included in Wix by default. Wix does support jQuery, but if you experience issues, just double-check that your code is packaged correctly. Paste everything in carefully. Feel free to take your time here. If something looks off or doesn't display right, don't worry. You can always edit it, try again, or undo any changes. Once your code's in place, be sure to click Update or Apply depending on how your editor words it. This saves the changes and refreshes the preview so you can actually see your custom HTML and jQuery live on the page. Give it a few seconds. Sometimes it might take a moment for everything to load. Test it out. Try interacting with what you've added, just to confirm it's working as you expect. If it isn't, double-check your code or move the embed element around. Sometimes placement can affect loading if other scripts are nearby. And that's really all there is to it. Adding custom HTML and jQuery into your Wix site can unlock huge creative possibilities. Whether it's custom forms, animation, or third-party integrations, you're no longer limited by templates alone. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions, or if there's a specific code example you'd like to see next. And if you want more practical web tutorials, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!